Hey guys, so today we're going to play Maze Runner. Think, do not cheat, do not use mod, do not destroy, do not
Hey yo, what's up guys? This is me, Lewis, and I'm about
create
to
by
play some
own
Minecraft
unknown error,
with a mod
Daredevil,
Maze Runner.
Brunt Wayne. Okay, so first we're gonna go in the house.
I have my sister with me playing. Wait. Abba, where are you at?
I'm in the house.
Abba, it said do not cheat, do not use items, do not destroy, do not created by the. Okay, where are you at? Did you go into a door already?
No. I'm gonna check in the villager's house.
Oh, there you
House.
go. Abba, don't destroy stuff.
I didn't.
Did you get loot already?
Nope.
Go down here. Cobweb.
See you.
Not again.
Need to get loot.
Okay, I'm gonna go in the maze now.
Me too.
A lot of cobwebs. Oh, bruh. There's a
Come.
lot of cobwebs.
Oh, then we need to destroy it.
While I'm destroying.
Oh yeah. Oh no, I'm moving slow.
This sucks.
I hate this. So much cobweb. There. Didn't it? Didn't it? Didn't it? Didn't it?
Pretty much lost
Didn't
right
it?
now.
Me too. It's cool.
You can just go in circle.
Do the song Shadows. So you should probably go to Lindsay
There's no turning back.
Sterling. There's Lindsay Sterling. She's a very good violin player.
Oh, what do we do? Oh, man.
It's turning nighttime.
Abba, make it day.
How this isn't creative?
No, use MCPE.
Oh. Nope.
We will die here. Remember in Maze Runner, if it's nighttime?
Yeah.
Get me out. Oh, damn. What's the...
How?
Go to game. Come on. Get on. Oh my.
Okay, game.
Make it noon. Come on. Oh no. So, have you guys watched the movie Maze Runner? It's a pretty good movie. Try to say some yeah. Okay, it's daytime. Grab them. No.
We should have fire in here, so the spiders will be scared. I would like to kill some spiders, but it's nighttime. And night I would like it to be nighttime. But in nighttime there's a mob, so I would no.
What's Brunos? Ooh, neat.
I would like to see the ano.
I got some armor here. Also have a sword now, a wooden sword. Ah, you died. Hey, you flied, didn't you?
No,
Yes.
no,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah. You use MCPE.
Fine. Now I'll not. Oh no. Wait, what's this new rule? Daredevil. No. Hate this.
It was that plan.
I'm gonna use a potion. Okay, I'm using stuff.
I think I just went in a circle. Let's go this route now. Damn it. Without you, my friend. Without you, this must be a trap. Spawn witch. Oh, hell no.
Oh hell no. Okay. Nice. Hey, did you get the large chest?
No.
And why is the large chest empty?
Oh, that was fun.
Got the potion of slowness. Got some no.
What? Let's go down.
Why do you have a witch? Okay.
Don't step on the tripwire. It will spawn a witch.
Okay. Got.
There's a tripwire down there. It might spawn a witch. Oh, there's a tripwire here too.
Oh no. No, it's still not nighttime. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna delete this.